What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you the end result of lesson 32. Basically, it's just that compass right there, and even when we turn our phone, it's going to always be pointing north. So it's going to be pretty simple, but yeah, pretty cool too at the same time.
Hope you like that live action, movie. I'm probably gonna submit it to like Sundance and win all sorts of awards. But yeah, welcome to your 30-second lesson. And today we're just gonna add that compass. It's gonna be pretty quick and simple, but sweet at the same time. And basically, when you're working with maps, you're gonna need an overlay, which is basically like different layers. If you work with like Photoshop, just think of you have different layers, and one of those layers is going to hold the compass, and then we're going to add that layer to our application. And it's going to be kind of the same technique when we're working with canvases when we do animation, but it's going to be a little different when we do that. But just remember, when you're using maps, you need an overlay, and basically we want to call, or that overlay, like I said, is just going to be a compass. So we're going to set up a new variable, and it's got to be just like this, my location overlay, and we're going to call it compass. And you want to import this my location overlay. That'll come with from the Google API, little bonus treat there. And then we're going to scroll down to our onCreate, and right under the controller that we set up, we're going to set up basically our compass and what it's going to do. So we want to say compass equals new my location overlay, and what it takes into parameters is a context and a map view. So the context is going to be this, and our map, we labeled it as map v, just so we know it's our map view. So that's what it's going to take in for the map view parameter. And then we have our compass set up. Now all we have to do is add that overlay to our application. And to do that, it's pretty simple. We just need to go to our map v. Again, this is our map view, and then we have a ton of choices. And we're going to say get overlays, because we want to look through all of our overlays. We might have like restaurants overlay that holds like GPS for restaurants, but we're going to get all of our overlays, and then throughout our overlays we're going to look through them. We only have one right now, but we want to look through those overlays. Or first it's just going to get all the overlays, and then we have to add it. So we're going to say add, and it takes an overlay and its parameters here, and we're going to call it compass. So there you go, we've added the overlay, the compass overlay, to our map view. And then all we have to do is we haven't really used this that often, but we need to go back to like the fundamentals here, and we want to have a on resume and on pause. So we're going to go to our source override methods. We're going to, like I said, add on pause and on resume. Hit OK, and then we're going to scroll down to these. And on pause, we want to compass the pause. So we're going to hit dot disable compass, and that's going to be a built-in method. And by no means is this a custom compass. This is just the default one that they give us to work with. And for the on resume, we want to say compass, and we want to enable compass. So we're going to use that command. Again, it's been built in for us. Pretty nice of Google to do that. And basically we're done. We just got to run it. I'm just going to run on my phone real quick, check and make sure it works. It should work though. Thanks again for watching, guys, and subscribing. And also, I know you guys said like the form isn't working. Basically the image verification thing isn't working, so I'm gonna look into that so you guys can get registered on there. Or those of you that aren't registered, but I just want to give you guys an update on that. But let's see if it works on my phone. Yeah, it looks like it's working. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next tutorial. Peace.